Pigmentation refers to the coloring of the skin. Skin pigmentation disorders cause changes to the color of your skin. Melanin is made by cells in the skin and is the pigment responsible for your skin's color. Hyperpigmentation is a condition that causes your skin to darken. This can affect patches of your skin or your entire body. Age spots, also called liver spots, are a common type of hyperpigmentation. How to treat pigmentation at home. There are several ways that you can treat hyperpigmentation at home. While several of the remedies we share here are anecdotal, some research suggests their main ingredients work on skin pigmentation. 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid. Research shows that it may lighten pigmentation. How to use this remedy. Combine equal parts apple cider vinegar and water in a container. Apply to your dark patches and leave for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse using lukewarm water. Repeat this twice daily to achieve the results you desire. 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera contains aloin, a natural depigmenting compound that has been shown to lighten skin and work effectively as a non-toxic hyperpigmentation treatment. How to use this remedy. Apply pure aloe vera gel to pigmented areas before bedtime. Rinse using warm water the next morning. Repeat this daily until your skin color improves. 3. Red onion. Red onion, also known as allium, is an ingredient in some commercially available skin and scar lightening creams. Research has found that the dried skin of red onions can effectively lighten skin. Look for creams for hyperpigmentation that contain allium and use as directed. 4. Green tea extract. Research shows that green tea extract may have a depigmenting effect when applied to the skin. You can purchase green tea extract and apply it as directed. Some websites suggest applying green tea bags to dark spots for a lightening effect, though there is no evidence to back this claim. If you'd like to give it a try, follow these steps. Steep a green tea bag in boiled water for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the tea bag from the water and let cool, you don't want to burn your skin. Rub the tea bag over your dark patches. Repeat this twice a day until you get results. 5. Milk. Milk, buttermilk, and even sour milk have all been shown to effectively lighten skin discoloration. Lactic acid is the ingredient responsible for this effect. If you'd like to give it a try, follow these steps to treat pigmentation. Soak a cotton ball in the milk. Rub it over darkened skin patches twice a day. Repeat this daily until you see results. 6. Black tea water. An animal study found that black tea water lightened dark spots on guinea pigs. The black tea water was applied twice a day, 6 days a week for 4 weeks. To try this version of this hyperpigmentation treatment at home, add a tablespoon of fresh black tea leaves to a cup of boiling distilled water. Steep for 2 hours and strain to remove the leaves. Soak a cotton ball in the tea water and apply to areas of hyperpigmentation, twice a day. Repeat every day for 6 days a week, over 4 weeks. Thanks for watching this video. For more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on video uploaded.